Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kari. So today's video is going to be a cook and clean with me. It's not going to be anything over the top, like I'm not doing a full kitchen clean. I'm just cleaning the dishes and the sink just so that I can have a clean starting space so that I can cook beef and broccoli for my family tonight. So I don't know if any of you all like to use a dishwasher. I use a dishwasher as well as hand washing the dishes because there are days where I have a lot of dishes that have to be washed, and this is one of those days. So I'm loading the dishwasher as well as washing a few items by hand, and then we'll start cooking. Y'all ever have a moment when you're done washing dishes and then you turn around and you're like, oh no, I forgot the pots? Yeah, it happens a lot with me. So as you guys know, if you've watched my other cooking videos, I always like to wash my meat with vinegar or lemon juice. In this case, I'm using vinegar just to clean the meat. And then after cleaning the meat, I always go back and wash my sink in and around it. So after washing my meat, I'll go in and cut off all the fatty pieces first, and then I'll cut the meat to my desired size. And for this specific dish, I'm just cutting them into little small strips for the beef and broccoli. So you know what's next. After cutting the meat, we go ahead and season it. I'm going to start off with cornstarch because it helps with the gravy for the beef and broccoli, as well as softening the texture for the meat. I'm going in with salt, pepper, garlic powder, and a little of the Mrs. Dash table blend. So now I'm just making a sauce. Okay, so I'm using what I have. I didn't have all of the ingredients that I needed, but I had a few. So I'm using soy sauce, brown sugar, and garlic powder. I usually add ginger to this dish, but we didn't have any ginger, so we're working with what we have. So I'm adding the beef to an already hot pan. I added the oil, and I'm gonna let this cook down for at least 30 minutes. So as it's cooking down, I'm gonna go ahead and chop up my broccoli into little pieces, and then I'm gonna wash my broccoli. Getting a pot of water ready to make my rice. I usually add butter and salt for taste, but we were out of butter, so I just added salt. Now that the beef is cooked down to my liking, I'm going to go ahead and add the broccoli florets that we cut up earlier, as well as the soy sauce and brown sugar mixture that we made earlier. So I let the meat, the broccoli, and the sauce that we made cook down for at least another 30 minutes. And then everything is tied together. And look at that. It is beautiful, and it tastes just as good as it looks. All right, y'all, we've made it to the end of the video. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe. And if you would like me to cook another dish, please leave it down in the comments below. Bye.